Hey guys, Rhett here. What's going on? Have something really cool for you today. I have a ton of people always ask me, Rhett, do you guys do multifamily? And we do. We do duplexes, triplexes, quadplexes, small apartment buildings, medium apartment buildings, large apartment buildings, everything. But it's been a really long time since I've been able to get a multifamily on video. This is a really cool opportunity because I have one of my clients who bought this property. It was absolutely torn to shreds, miserable. He's doing a full rehab on it, and he's gonna sell this as a Section 8 multifamily unit, 2 units really. So the front unit, the unit that we're gonna walk through first, is a 2-bedroom, 1 bath. The rear unit, both separate units, okay, with separate driveways, separate entrances, everything. That's gonna be a 1-bedroom, 1 bathroom. This unit right here will rent for somewhere about $950 to $975. The unit in the back is gonna rent for somewhere between $650 and $800. So really good numbers for whoever gets into this. They're gonna get into this and cash flow somewhere between $1,500 and $1,700 a month. Really good. So guys, let's walk through it. We are about probably 70% done with the rehab. We've pulled all the permits, we've done all the electrical, we've done all the plumbing, we've done all that stuff. That was very in-depth. We've done the, watch the wind. We've done all the roofing, brand new roofs. We've done all the exterior structural things for the most part. Now we're just touching up on the interior stuff. So we're doing a lot of new flooring right now. We're doing paint touch-ups. We're going through the house. We're doing all the new doors. We're in the middle of a rehab, and you'll kind of see that. So when you walk in here, guys, the first thing you do is you walk right in from the living room into bedroom number 1. Now, bedroom number 1 in really good shape, really nice bedroom, a lot of natural light, good sized closet. We capped the fireplace right behind you. Okay, so this is bedroom number 1. We're on a really nice street in a really nice area that has a ton of appreciation value. So really excited about this unit and the unit behind us. Now, my client is going to be selling this. So if you're interested in buying a Section 8 multi-unit and a job that my team did, really good stuff. So guys, leaving this bedroom, we have back in our living room, another large living room right here, okay? Branching off from this living room is bedroom number 2. All right, now, the cool thing is both of these bedrooms share a Jack and Jill style bathroom. So it's a really large bathroom. It's a full bath in here, toilet, vanity, and tub in a Jack and Jill setting. Jack and Jill setting, guys, means you have 2 bedrooms that share a bathroom, and also there are 2 doors, so there's a door on each side. So it's kind of like you have a master, really 2 master bedrooms, but they both share that same bathroom. So nice big closet in here as well. Really nice setup, really quaint, and really big for a 2-bedroom. So moving from the kitchen, you see all of our LVP that we're gonna be putting in the back unit and in the laundry room a little bit later. But moving from here, guys, over into the kitchen, put all new flooring down in here. Gigantic kitchen, okay? Huge. This is bigger than some of the kitchens in our 4 and 5 bedroom homes. Really great. We did all of our electrical. We had to bring the whole house up to code because neither house had meters. So when you don't have an electrical meter on your house, you need to bring in the city inspector. The electrical inspector comes down, tells you exactly what you need to do to bring everything up to code, which is what we did. So both units, all brand new electrical, which is huge. Walking through here, guys, of course, little small items still need to be done. Things like this, drywall items. And then currently right now, as we move into the rear of the house, as you can tell, we just took up all of the floor and all of the structures. So we had to put a brand new supports, brand new joists underneath the house, and we're gonna now build up on those joists that we put in, remove any kind of rotted wood like that, build our new supports, put a brand new floor down in here, put our water heater back over here, and that is also where our washer and dryer will go. So all that stuff will go together. We have our laundry hookups there as well. So our water heater, our laundry hookups will go over here, along with a whole new floor and everything brand new in here. that is the end of this house, okay? So obviously still some work to be done, and we're in the middle of doing. Guys, moving off to the rear of the house, we have unit number 2. The beautiful thing is we're on a huge lot, very quiet, good amount of separation. Unit number 2, which is in the middle of a rehab as well, will have its own separate entrance, its own separate driveway. And again, is in the middle of a rehab. So coming in here, guys, the first thing we're doing, we're putting a brand new window right here. So we boarded this up for the time being. Brand new window will go in right here. We're in our living room. Again, it's a good size. So good size living room here. Moving in to our bedroom. Now the bedroom is really nice. We'll put some new glass and new windows in here as well. And then the bathroom, the bedroom also has an attached bath. So the bathroom is in here, which we're redoing the entire bathroom. So everything in here is being done. You can check it out. It's beat. It's beat up, and it's having a lot of work done to it. So we're coming in and we're gonna take this whole floor out. Whole floor will come up. New vanity, new tub, new toilet, everything brand new in there. So really excited about what's going on in there as well. And we leave the bedroom back to the living room and then into the kitchen. All of this will be completed. So all new drywall work on the ceiling. We had to put a brand new roof on this house too. So everything in here was just falling in terrible. We'll cut this out, put all new drywall in here. All new flooring in here as well. So really, really happy about this. And guys, having the opportunity to buy a Section 8 multifamily unit that has just been rehabbed is great because it allows you to put people in the unit that you choose. So this opportunity, it doesn't come around very often. A lot of times if you're buying occupied units, they're occupied and you don't choose the tenants. So this is gonna be one of those rare occurrences where we get to choose the tenants. We get to put Section 8 tenants paying top market rent. We're gonna rehab these units. They're gonna be fantastic when they're done. They're gonna be totally up to par of what we need them to be. They're gonna be indestructible. We'll put our tenants in there. We'll never have to worry about anything. And we are gonna put them in at market, top of the market rent. So maximize returns. We're gonna still buy them at a good price. And we know that all the work's done right because my team did it. Guys, if you're interested in something like this, send me an email below. If you wanna do something like this yourself, buy multifamily property, buy single family property, get in at a cheap price, rehab the entire property, and put tenants in there at guaranteed rents where you don't have to worry about where your money's gonna come from every month and continue to grow that and build that and scale that, send me an email below. Guys, questions, comments, also drop them in the comment section below. I'll get to all of them. We'll see you next time.